Hi friends, today we will see how to use this mini SQ8. This I got it from one of the online sites and it's only for some $20. You need three things. One is the charging cable, another is this SD card. It should be 8 GB or 16 GB or maximum 32 GB. You cannot insert 64 GB, 128 GB into this, it won't work. So once you have this, you have to charge with the laptop for around 3 hours. You put the SD card or the TF card into the socket. This comes with a manual, but the manual looks like a direct Google Translate of Chinese to English, so it doesn't make much sense. So there are two buttons here. The top one is on off written there, and the other is the mode. So there are three modes in this. One is the 720p video mode, another is 180 1080p video mode, third is the picture mode. In some it has a fourth mode called IR mode. This device doesn't have that, maybe some other device will have. So on how to use it, first switch on by long pressing on the on off button, so you get the blue light, so that's 720p. So blue light is 720p, it records with 720p. You press the mode button once, it shifts to blue with red tinge in the center, that's 1080p. And you press the mode once more, it turns red, which is the picture mode or the photo mode. And to start it, press on button once and it should blink thrice. That means the video recording has started. I'll press it once, it's blinking thrice and it's turned off. So it's the video recording has started now, and it has capacity of 200 minutes of recording. If you want more, you have to keep it connected to the charger. Only then it will record for longer duration. To stop recording, press on or off button once. So the light is back, which means the recording has stopped now. So one recording will be there in the file, we will see it later. To record in 1080p, press the mode once. So you see a red tinge between the blue, which says that it's in 1080p. To start recording, you have to press on or off once. The red button between the blue will blink thrice and the light will go off. That means the recording has started. I'll do that once. I don't know whether you saw red blinking 3 times, but it did. Now it's recording. I press the stop button. Now it has stopped the recording. And finally there is a picture mode. Press once the mode, it will go to picture mode. You have to just press on or off once. It will take a picture. So that's it, as simple as that. About the review of this, the price is not worth it. Even though it's cheap, 1080p video looks like a VGA camera video. It's nowhere near an SLR's 1080p or even the mobile's 1080p video. So it could be at the max be used if you want to spy something. It cannot be used for videos you want to upload on YouTube. Definitely you cannot use it to upload videos on YouTube. The quality is very bad. Even the picture quality is very bad. You can't use it for anything unless you want to, you know something bad is going on and you want to record it. Then it can be handy. You can place it between books or in a cupboard, a glass door, and it can take videos for 100 minutes. And you can keep it for charging, it can take even longer. If you are planning to use it as alternative to GoPro, definitely you cannot. The quality is nowhere near. The good thing is it's tiny. It can be kept anywhere without people noticing it much. If you press a button and it shows blinking red 3 times, that means that the command is not working. And finally, to turn this device off, you have to long press on off button till the time it stops showing in light. Now if I press and hold, it should turn off. See, it blinked at the end thrice and then it turned off. So you have to hold a bit longer to turn it off. Now let's connect to laptop and see. Connect the cable to the device. So it's blinking. This is an indication of the device getting charged. It will stop blinking and show only red when the device is fully charged. It has come. So we have the photo folder and the video folder. So we have all the AVIs here. Let me try the last one. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more such reviews. See you in another video soon. Thanks for watching.